5,
The risks were high.
4,
It was a race against time.
3,
There were nail-biting moments.
2,
We are going in a marathon race.
1,
No countries reached Mars in the very first attempt.
0.
ISRO, that is the Indian Space Research Organization, was formed in the 1960s. Based on the experience we gained and growing the space science community within the country, ISRO decided that we could go further out and go into interplanetary space and go to Mars. I am Sita. I work as the program director here. I coordinate all the space science activities of ISRO. MOM, or the Mars Orbiter mission, was a mission to prove that we have the capability to actually reach a planet and orbit around it. That itself was a big challenge. MOM had to be built within 18 months.
It was a race against time because we were all first timers working for an interplanetary mission. I don't think I ever thought I would be working in ISRO Satellite Center. If you are doing mission operations, you really don't need to watch a science fiction movie. You see that excitement in our day-to-day lives. I'm Nandini Harinath. I was designated as a project manager, mission design, and a deputy operations director for the Mars Orbiter mission.
The placement of Earth and Mars such that you traverse with minimum energy, that comes once in 2 years.
We wanted to get into a capture orbit. Capture orbit in the sense this orbiter remains around Mars. We went for an elliptical orbit because a more circular orbit would have required more fuel.
The main purpose of Mars Orbiter mission was to derive many other technologies, launching, insertion in the orbit, autonomy, but also we should have payloads so that our scientists also start working on the Mars atmosphere, Mars science, which will be helpful for the future missions. And I was deployed in this project. I'm Meenal Rohit and I'm a scientist engineer and I was project manager for methane sensors for Mars. That's one of the payloads which was flown in the Mars Orbiter mission. When I was small, I saw many scientists wearing white garments and it was so fascinating. And at that moment I got like, oh wow, how good to be there.
One challenge was all the payloads were made small and compact.
15 kilograms for all the payloads. And these payloads had to be built for the rugged space environment. So that was a challenge. Methane sensor for Mars, I consider it's a first baby.
The presence of methane indirectly hints at the possibility of the presence of life. That was one of the reasons why that payload was extremely important.
So for that itself, very less time was there, hardly I think 6 months. And we had to come up with all designs, all concept model, everything. Dr. Sita, she's a very strict lady, okay. She was very particular, like what's the primary objective, whether your camera is going to meet that, how going to meet that, how you're going to demonstrate it. That was very stressful. We have a mass color camera, MCC. It was for outreach to the country, motivation and enthusiasm into the public they wanted to bring in.
Every launch gives me butterflies in the stomach.
The weather was not favorable. 5 or 6 days was delayed. Already the margins were getting eaten up.
Stand by for the time mark. Mark means 1 minute and counting.
Please lift off, please lift off.
3, 2, 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, 5.
We were relieved and happy that the launch vehicle had put us in the right orbit.
After some few hours, Mars color camera was going to be on. India came up there. And that was the moment.
We needed a certain velocity to get out of the Earth's sphere of influence, and we couldn't do it in one shot because our engine wasn't that powerful. So we had to gain that energy slowly. So every time we went around the Earth, we would fire the engine to get that extra energy. So after 6 such burns, the orbiter had enough velocity to exit from the Earth's sphere of influence, and it went into the cruise. The cruise to Mars, that was about 9 months.
It's like a baby is delivered, but 9 months in the womb it has to be taken care.
Mars orbit insertion was the grand day. That was 24th September 2014. We'll never forget it in all our lives.
Of course, the Mars orbit insertion, that was the most critical maneuver.
If we had had slightly less velocity, we would have crashed onto Mars. If we had had more velocity, we would have just gone off as a flyby.
It's like hitting a bullseye on a dartboard, standing some few 10,000 kilometers away.
We monitored it. It went behind Mars, and then for 2 to 3 minutes we just were holding our breath. Communication